Why Android Auto's new music interface is disappointing. Imagine being stuck and rebelling against a change that was meant to enhance your driving experience. This is exactly what's reaching a boiling point for many music enthusiasts who kinky rely on Android Auto. But here's where it gets interesting. Google's recent decision to refresh Android Auto's interface using Material U, a design system that matches the colors of your phone's X wallpaper, has left some users feeling underwhelmed and frustrated. The normalized update, which Zjokt aims to bring fonts, colors, and shapes together across the interface, has also changed the way music players are displayed. Gone are the majestic days of dynamic album art-wrecked backgrounds, replaced by a more subdued upload and monotonous color scheme that takes its cue from your phone's wallpaper. As part of rolling these changes, users will now notice that the music player interface adopts the color from their wallpaper rather than the albumac art. The seek bar has also been repositioned right next to the now smaller album. Art, giving rise to a lot more blank space in certain parts of the interface. This redesign has sparked heated debates among users, with some lamenting the loss of visually appealing backgrounds that added a touch of personality to their music listening experience on the go. But what else does this mean? For you and to the user, does this change enhance or detract from your overall Android Auto experience name? We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts. Do you prefer the old interface, or do you think this change is a step in the right direction? Cast your vote below and join the conversation up in the comments. Android Auto's exciting upgrade, Personalize your drive. Imagine this, your car's dashboard could soon be as personalized as your smartphone's home screen. That's right, Android Auto is on the verge of a significant upgrade that will let you infuse your unique style into your driving experience. But here's where it gets controversial. While this feature is rolling out, it's not available to everyone just yet, and the process is a bit messy. Let's dive in and explore what's happening with Android Auto's latest update. Android Auto, the go-to app for many drivers seeking a seamless connection between their car and phone, is gearing up for a major personalization boost. This upgrade is all about bringing Material U color themes from your phone directly into your car's infotainment system. And this is the part most people miss. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a more cohesive and personalized driving experience. The latest Android Auto 14.9 beta version has revealed that the app will now pick up on the Material U color themes derived from your phone's wallpaper. This means that elements like switches and settings menus in your car will match the colors of your phone, creating a harmonious visual experience. However, this feature isn't universal. It only applies to themes generated from wallpapers. So if you've got a custom theme that doesn't come from a wallpaper, you might be out of luck. This isn't the first time Android Auto has taken a step towards personalization. Back in late 2023, the app started using your phone's wallpaper to customize the interface. This was a big deal, giving Android Auto an edge over Apple CarPlay, which still lacks this level of personalization. But there's a catch. When your vertical phone wallpaper is stretched to fit the horizontal car screen, it can look a bit wonky. It's a small price to pay for a more personalized experience, but it's something to keep in mind. Unfortunately, there's no way to independently customize Android Auto beyond these wallpaper-based themes. But who knows? Maybe that's a feature we'll see in the future. For now, we'll have to make do with what we've got. The rollout of this new feature has been less than smooth. Some Android users have reported seeing the new color themes, while others can only access them through the beta version. When I checked my own car, there was no sign of the update. It's a bit of a mixed bag, but it's clear that Google is working on something big. While we wait for the bigger changes, like the upcoming Gemini experience that's set to replace Google Assistant, we can expect to see more small tweaks and improvements. These could include expanded gaming and entertainment options when the car is parked, as well as deeper integration with the car's systems. We're talking radio hardware, USB drives for more music options, and even climate control support on some vehicles. But here's a question for you. Is this level of personalization enough? Or should Google be doing more to make Android Auto truly unique? And what about Apple CarPlay? Should it follow suit and offer more customization options? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. The future of car infotainment is in our hands, and it's up to us to shape it. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech news, reviews, deals, and buying guides from the experts at T3. We're always here to keep you in the loop on the most gorgeous tech, home, and active products out there. Android Auto 14.9 adds full Material U colors. How to enable first look. Imagine this. Your car's infotainment system finally matches the vibrant, personalized look of your Android phone. Google has just rolled out a significant update for Android Auto that brings this dream to life. The latest update introduces full support for Material U color accents, which dynamically adjust based on your phone's wallpaper. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a game changer for those who love a cohesive, personalized digital experience. But here's where it gets controversial. Not everyone is thrilled about this level of customization in their car's interface. Let's dive into the details and see what this update brings to the table. As we reported late last year, Google was starting to implement support for Material U color themes in Android Auto 13.4. However, this initial rollout was quite limited, only applying a few colors and not fully matching the rich palette available on your phone's wallpaper. Now, with Android Auto 14.9, the latest beta update, things have changed dramatically. Material U colors are now fully integrated throughout the Android Auto experience. You can see this most clearly in the Settings app on Android Auto and in Notifications, where the entire background gets a slight tint to match your phone's theme. Unlike last year's update, Android Auto now immediately reflects changes to Material U color accents whenever you switch your wallpaper. It doesn't always react to manual changes to color themes on Pixel devices, but it quickly adjusts to any wallpaper changes in our testing. And this is the part most people miss. This update isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a seamless user experience that feels personal and intuitive. While we've observed these changes on the latest beta release, some users have already noticed the update over the past day. Notably, we didn't see it on our first attempt, suggesting this could be a server-side change. Just like when Google first introduced color accents, turning off the option to match your phone's wallpaper on Android Auto will disable the accent colors. But why would anyone want to turn off such a beautiful feature? Perhaps some users prefer a more uniform, less distracting interface in their car. What do you think? Should personalization be limited in the car for safety reasons, or is it all about making the experience as enjoyable as possible? Regardless of how the rollout is handled, it's fantastic to finally have proper Material U color theming on Android Auto. It's a small but significant step towards a more integrated and personalized digital life. Have you noticed the change yet? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Is this update a win for customization, or does it go too far in blending your phone and car interfaces? Let the discussion begin. More on Android Auto. Samsung is building a DeX-powered Android Auto alternative. New screenshots show. https://2025-025 leak Android Auto alternative. Android Auto 14.8 is nearly ready to kill off Assistant as Maps tests a new shortcut. Android Auto gets redesigned Spotify app with jam support more. https://2025-025 leak Android Auto alternative. Android Auto, Gemini, next episode. 9to5google.com 2025-07-05 Android Auto Spotify app redesign. Follow Ben, Twitter, X, Twitter.com, NexusBen. Blue Sky app profile nexusben.com and Instagram, instagram.com/nexusben. Add 9to5Google to your Google News feed. https://news.google.com publications CAC GEM HL NUS Global NUS N FTC. We use income earning auto affiliate links /about/affiliate.